Apple just announced its first major new product since 2015. Introducing the groundbreaking AR headset Apple Vision Pro. In this video, we are going to see dark secret about Apple Vision Pro. Before that, we see some of its most amazing features. Augmented reality, AR. It's the first Apple product you look through, and not at Tim Cook. Vision Pro is a new kind of computer that seamlessly blends the real world with the digital world. You're no longer limited by a display, as your surroundings are now a limitless canvas. Natural, intuitive controls. Unlike other VR/AR headsets that require handheld remotes to operate, Vision Pro is completely controlled by your eyes, hands, and voice. MacBook integration. You can bring your Mac wirelessly into your Vision Pro just by looking at it. This allows you to expand your display size to as big as you want with incredible 4K display. An extraordinary entertainment experience. Vision Pro will allow you to transform any room into your own personal movie theater. Spatial Cinema will automatically dim surrounding light and lets you expand your display to any size. Apple's first ever 3D camera. Vision Pro will allow you to capture memories in 3D. This new added depth will make watching old videos feel like you're going back in time and reliving them. The new Vision Pro looks amazing and will change the Apple ecosystem forever. It has a price tag of $3,499 and is set to launch early next year. The main drawback, according to Lyman, is incomprehensible positioning, namely for which specific use cases the device is useful. Apple suggests using Apple Vision Pro for work and play. Why? If there is a familiar monitor or TV, based on the demonstration, it seems that the Apple Vision Pro is a personalized screen glasses with its own processing power. The device is not devoid of interesting technologies, but at first glance it seems absolutely niche. Lyman also noted an unsuccessful solution in the design with a battery on the wire. However, a built-in battery would increase the weight of the device on the head, which would negatively affect the user experience. Also, according to Lyman, the impression of the device overshadows the exorbitant price tag. The cost of the headset is $3,499. The Apple Vision Pro can be considered as a kind of prototype for tech enthusiasts and developers. With its help, the company will test the demand for technology and prepare a software base for a wide audience. Based on the feedback received, most likely, a line of headsets will be formed that can potentially replace the iPhone in the future. After releasing this product into the market only, we come to no real disadvantage about the product. If you have any queries, just comment below. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.